After literal 10 years, Samsung for the first time will not make a Note flagship and fans are not happy. The Galaxy fanbase is really strong and loyal to Note devices. To me, Samsung is taking a big gamble on its smartphone strategy by not releasing a Galaxy Note this year. And they could even face a big criticism for this. Now, some reports had also claimed that the decision was forced by the global chip shortage. Later, Samsung said the next range will be back in 2022. But a recent blog post on a company site says that they are bringing the S Pen support to more and more Galaxy devices, which was the most exclusive feature of the Note devices. And that clearly indicates something, right? Now, a petition has now been started by Sam Mobile to force Samsung to release a Galaxy Note phone next year instead of the Galaxy S22 series. Now, they also have a cool idea: alternate the Galaxy S and Note series launches each year to keep everyone happy. But I also have an idea. Why not to skip the S22 Ultra or the future S Ultra models and replace it with a Note device? As always, the Note Ultra device and the S series Ultra device have very little differences. Then it will be a happy decision for everyone. If you want to join them, I will link down below the petition. Even though the S21 Ultra or even the upcoming Z Fold 3 supports the S Pen, they don't have a built-in slot for the stylus. So you may need to buy a bulky case to carry the S Pen. Comment down below what you think of the S Pen case for the Z Fold 3. We know Samsung and TSMC are making chips. These two are the top contract foundries in the world. But according to Reuters report, Intel will start producing chips for other companies such as Qualcomm and Amazon. They want to become a proper competitor to TSMC and Samsung by 2025. Both the TSMC and Samsung produces chips for various companies like AMD, Apple, Qualcomm, etc. The latest creation by these companies are the 5nm process node based Apple M1, F14, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100. They also have roadmaps down to 2nm. Now, as early as 2025, Intel will get its hands on ASML's next generation extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, EVL machines. This machine is important because it needs to produce extremely thin lines, as it will have to pack more transistors inside the components. More transistors per square mm means more powerful and more energy efficient chips. Now, Intel will reveal a design for transistors smaller than 1 mm by 2024. Now, it's still a promise at this point. Only time will tell if Intel will be able to deliver, but it's insane. The companies that are going to be the first customers are Qualcomm for their Snapdragon chips and Amazon for the data center chips. The comparison is always better. What is your opinion? Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.